Let's take a look at this artisanal syrup. This is by Swa artisanal syrup, 100% natural, made with real fruits, herbs, and spices, pineapple and bird eye chili. That's a really interesting combination. Ingredients are a concentrated natural lemon juice, pineapple juice, bird eye chili, sugar, and water. So let's taste it. So let's taste it. Chili and pineapple is an amazing combination. Such a nice pineapple flavor, and it goes really well with the chili. But you still get a nice amount of spiciness though. Delicious combination. Quite nice. Check it out.